How to use Ask AI for coding help. Whether you are stuck on a bug, need an example, or want to understand a tricky concept, Ask AI can be your coding buddy. Let's see how it works. First things first, open your browser and go to www.iask.ai and log in if you haven't already. Now type your coding question clearly. For example, you could ask, how do I reverse a string in Python? Or can you show me a simple HTML login form? The key is to be specific so the AI knows exactly what you need. Next, review the response given by AI carefully. Ask AI will give you code snippets, explanations, or even step-by-step instructions. You can copy the code directly and test it out in your editor. Pro tip: always double check for syntax or small errors. It's a guide, not a magical bug fixer. You can even ask follow-up questions if needed. If something isn't clear, just type, "Can you explain this line?" or "How do I modify this for a loop?" Ask AI loves when you get curious. It will help you understand the code, not just give it to you. And that's how you use Ask AI for coding help. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.